White Dolphin by Gil Lewis, Chapter 33. Before I start my video, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos. In Chapter 32, we saw that Mother Dolphin got caught in the net of Doggy Evans and died. In Chapter 33, we see that this makes Kara get devastated and she runs towards the cove where she would always find peace whenever she used to get upset. She goes to cove and lies there on the sand. Water swirls through Kara's body and she sinks there in white soft sand. The broken face of Mother Dolphin gets fixed in Kara's mind, and Kara again feels as if part of her has gone. The part that used to keep her close to her mom had gone. Kara feels like sinking deep in the sand, and then Kara hears a burst of dolphin breath. Kara looks around, and there it was, the angel. Kara wades through the water to reach Angel, who was sending series of whistle and clicks to call her mother. And we know that her mother had died. Kara tries to touch the angel, but it disappears under water. Kara wades further out. The waves swell under her and lift her up, and then Kara hears someone calling her name. It were Felix and Mr. Anderson standing on cliff, waving Kara, telling her to get out of there as the waves were too high. Kara wades out of water and looks back to see Angel, but the cove was empty. Angel had gone. Kara reaches top of the cliff. She was badly cold. Her hand all blue and her fingers were blenched white. Mr. Anderson tells Kara that they had come to get Kara back home. Mr. Anderson tells Kara and Felix to wait there and he would go to get his car. Felix tells Kara that everyone in the town is mad on Doggy Evans over killing of Mother Dolphin. Felix tells Kara that he has something to show her. He also tells her that his dad did not want him to show it to Kara, but he thinks that if he had been at the place of Kara, he would have wanted to know. He gives an envelope to Kara and tells her that there was something else in the memory stick too. Felix sees his dad coming and tells Kara to hide the envelope as it might help Kara understand where Kara's mom had disappeared. Felix tells Kara that the envelope holds something to do with her mom, a missing key to where she might be. That's all about chapter number 33. Here is a question from chapter number 33. What do you think what clue the envelope would be having? So it is the student will be guessing, student's personal opinion it will be. He can guess anything, that there could be anything in the clue. It's all up to the students. The second part is why Felix did not tell her about this information before, as he had already looked into the memory stick. We see that in previous chapters, Kara once asked Felix, was there anything else in the memory stick? But Felix tells her that there was nothing else. But now he has told her there was something else in the memory stick as well, and he has given that information to Kara, and he has put that information in an envelope and gives it to Kara. So what do you think why Felix did not tell Kara at that time? So the answer is Felix's father was investigating the information given in the memory stick through his contacts, and the information he got was that the picture was taken. There was a picture of Kara's mum in the envelope, and Mr. Anderson had investigated that picture was taken a while before Kay Wood went for diving, and after that picture, once she went for diving, she disappeared while she was diving. So that's all about chapter number 33. Once again, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos.